This is Adnan Ahmed. Today we are going to discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech is important topic for grammar, whether for secondary classes, for university classes, and for schooling system. So direct speech and indirect speech. We have certain rules of direct speech and indirect speech. And this speech that writing skills are important for you, particularly for those persons they are joining media sciences, report writing, newspaper writing, novel writing, dialogue writing. It's important for you to understand. So direct speech and indirect speech, first we are discussing the basic of direct speech and indirect speech. So first is we have two terms of direct and indirect speech. One is reporting speech, second we have reported speech. So one side we have a reporting speech, number second we have a reported speech. Okay, in slides we have a reporting ing form in the both places, but one is ed form. So he said to her, he has played tennis. So he said to her, this one is a reporting speech, right? And he has played tennis. This is a reported speech, ed form. By mistake it is written ing form, but that is a ed form. So we have two speeches. One is reporting speech, second is reported speech. Number second, we have two classes or two sentences. You can discuss in this way. So one is he said to her, that is a reporting speech. It's important for you. And we have three places of reporting speech. First position है, last में भी इसको use कर सकते हैं और mid में भी इसको use कर सकते हैं. So it is not to worry about that whether you get in the starting or in the mid or at the end. He said to her, इसको last में use कर सकते हैं. It can be used in the mid. Second is he will guide them. She said to them. He will guide them. This is a reported speech. She said to him, reporting speech. So reporting and reported speech. We have two speech in direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, if you want to understand more elements, so we have two classes. We have two sentences, right? We have to merge. So very basic of a narration, a direct speech and indirect speech. That is called reporting speech and a reported speech. Hopefully you are getting this idea. So reporting ing form, someone is reporting, and reported double quotation. A double quotation, or we have inverted commas. Let's see the statement of Prime Minister, or we have one hadith, one quotation. That will be in double quotation, and you can report, I can report, any other person can report. So reporting and reported speech. That's the basic idea of direct speech and indirect speech. Next we are discussing rule number one. We have certain rules. Tenses are changed, right? So tenses are changed. The very first point is all present tenses will be changed, will be replaced into past tenses. So we have four tenses. Four present tenses, present indefinite into past indefinite, present progressive into past progressive, and present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. This is also basic, primary. जो four tenses हैं इसको हमने past में convert करना है, past में लेके जाएंगे. Then we have past tenses. Again we have four past tenses. So we will change only two tenses, past indefinite and past continuous. So past indefinite will be changed into a past perfect. And second is past progressive or past continuous. We will change into past perfect continuous. Right one? So present tenses will be changed, will be replaced into past tenses. And again we have past tenses. आपने starting to change करना है, बाकी change नहीं करते इसमें. Second is have to and has to. The basic idea, they will be changed to had. Has हो गया, have हो गया, इसको had में change करना है आपने. Second is am are. Right one, and was and were. Number third is was and were, had been. If we have is, am, are, was, were में change कर देंगे. Was, were, had been में change करेंगे. Number of person they make mistake. Was and were they do not change. Means they are same. No, they are not same. You have to change into had been. Second we have universal truth or universal statement, or we have a universal fact. You will not change. Such as the Holy Quran is the best of all books. This is universal fact. The sun rises in the east. This is universal truth. We do not change. So the first rule is tenses are changed. In tenses we have present tenses as well as past tenses, and we have some usage whether is, am, are, was, were, or have or has. A universal fact. Hopefully you are getting this idea. One is he says to me. If we have reporting speech and the verb of reporting speech in the present tense, he says to me, अगर लिखा होगा says लिखा होगा, then the reported speech will remain unchanged. You will not change this idea. So he says to me, or he will say to me, he has said to me. We do not change the reported speech, right one? Rule number 1 we have practiced. He says to her, she reads magazine. So he says to her, she reads magazine. So he says to her, again we have a तो रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. He says to her सेम होएगा, that यूज करेंगे. She reads magazine, right? Number 2, she said to him, he has completed the assignments. She said to him, said to will be changed into told. And for joining 2 classes, we have that. Connecting word यूज करते हैं, connection यूज करते हैं, that यूज कर देंगे यहाँ पर. She said to him, she told him, that यूज करेंगे. He has completed the assignments, a present perfect idea into past perfect idea. He had completed his assignment, right? As we have discussed this idea. Number 6 is they said he achieved the highest marks. So they said, they said we do not have object. यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हुआ they said to them, they said to me. तो said will remain same, said ही रहेगा इसमें. Told में use नहीं करेंगे इसको. They said that use करेंगे. Then we will see the tense. He achieved the highest marks. A past indefinite. So past indefinite according to rule number 1, a past perfect. They said that he had achieved the highest marks. Right? She said to them, they were good doctors. She said to them, she told them, that use करेंगे. They were good doctors. They had been good doctors. Was and were we have to change into had been. So rule number 1, simple, comprehensive, practical. You have discussed in class 9th, 10th, in school time. It's easy for you. It's a kind of repetition for you, right? Rule number 2 we have. In rule number 2 we have certain adverbs, phrases we have to change. Right? When modal verbs we have to change. Will को हमने would में change करना है. Can, could, may, might, and shall, should. Have to and has to. Had to में change करते हैं. Second we have must. Had to में change करना है हमने. Right? And tonight. That night, today, and that day. So we have these kinds of adverbs and modal verbs we have to change, as you can see here. Second is yesterday लिखा हुआ है, the previous day, the day before में change करेंगे. Second we have tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. So both are adverbs and we have to change the adverbs. Now, then, here, and there. This, that, these, and those. So these changes you can see, and I hope that you have discussed in school time yourself. So good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. So we have 3 phrases: good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. We have to change into greeted. Greeted means to say salam, or to say hello, or to say good morning. So we have to convert into greeted. Second is goodbye and good night, farewell. In class 10th you got the party, that was a farewell party. So good night and goodbye we have to change into farewell. यहाँ पे greeted में नहीं कह सकते. Greet means if you meet someone in the morning, in afternoon, in the evening, we say greeted. We say salam, right? Next is yes and no, we ignore. We do not use. In place of yes or no, we have to change into adverb, or we have to change into the sense of the sentence. So rule number 2 we are discussing. We have some practice of rule number 2. He said to them good morning. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ he said to them good morning. We have to change. So number of person they change into means they make a wrong structure. They told them greeted, sense नहीं बनेगा. We have to make it directly. He said to them good morning. He greeted them rather than told them, no, not at all. So good morning को हमने change कर दिया greeted में, और said to का sense भी इसके अंदर आ गया. He told them that good morning. He greeted them. Is it correct? Number 2, she said to him congratulations. She said to him congratulations. Again we have to change into directly. She congratulated him, right one. Second is he said to her thanks. He thanked ed from her. So we have these changes. A number of person from school or from college, they commit mistake, they make mistake regarding changing good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or second is congratulations, thanks, these kind of changes, right? When they make mistakes. Rule number 2 we have some practice. He said to her, these are 2 books. सो दीज राइट वन डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन दोस्त में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इज एम आर वाज वर में चेंज करेंगे. ही सेड टू हर, ही टोल्ड हर दैट दोज वर टू बुक्स. इट्स क्वाइट इजी, you can understand. Number next we have he said to her they will join this class. So they will join this class, will next is this we have to change. He said to her, he told her that they would join that class. Will को आपने would में change कर दिया और this को that में use कर देंगे. For joining we have one connecting word, that is that. Is it clear? Rule number 2 we have discussed. It's quite easy and you can practice. If you find any kind of problem in a chat box or in a comment box, you can ask question, right? Rule number 3 we have pronouns are changed. So direct speech and indirect speeches. If we discuss about officially, so we are starting now. Starting 2 rules, they were the repetition, a kind of revision of your school or college, right? When we are starting now, direct and indirect speech. Pronouns are changed. So first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. First person means I, me, my and mine. Singular first person, we, are, us and ours. Plural first person. Second person will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. In second person and third person we do not change. So we have 3 person in communication. One is a speaker, second we have listener, third that is we are talking about. मतलब वन इज स्पीकर्स होते हैं, उसके बाद लिसनर्स उनके. सो इन नंबर ऑफ केसेस स्पीकर्स एंड लिसनर दे टर्न टेकिंग, राइट वन. एंड देन वी हैव टॉपिक दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट. सो वी हैव 3 प्रोनाउंस, 3 पर्सन्स. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. वी चेंज फर्स्ट पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट एंड सेकंड पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. एंड थर्ड पर्सन को हम चेंज नहीं करते, राइट वन. दैट इज गुड न्यूज़ फॉर यू. सेकंड इज he said to her, I have done my assignment. So in double quotation, I have done my assignment. I first person and my is first person. Present perfect tense into past perfect we will convert. Said to, told में change करेंगे. He said to her, he told her that. I लिखा हुआ है, whether me है, my है, are है, we have to change according to the subject of reporting speech. So subject is he mention किया हुआ है. So I को change करना है, आपने he से convert करना है, तो in place of I हम he use करेंगे. और नेक्स्ट इज माई लिखा हुआ, ये भी आपने ही से कन्वर्ट करना है, तो यहाँ पे हम आई यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पे हिज आ जाएगा, राइट वन. आई इज सब्जेक्टिव केस, मी इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, माई इज पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव एंड माइन इज पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन. सो आई हैव डन माई असाइनमेंट. सो ही सेड टू हर, ही टोल्ड हर दैट आई हैव डन माई असाइनमेंट. ही हैड डन हिज असाइनमेंट. सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हमने इसको पास्ट में भी कर दिया. आई एंड माई को आपने चेंज करना है. Second example is they said to her, you should change your attitude. So they said to her, you should change attitude. You लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर and your लिखा हुआ है. Second person, you and your. We have to change according to the object of reporting speech. They said to her, they told her. That use करते हैं यहाँ पर. You should change your attitude. यहाँ पे you को change करना according to the object. वहाँ पे her लिखा हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे she आ जाएगा. And should we do not change. She should change her attitude, right one. Number next idea, she said to me, I will guide you. She said to me, I will guide you. यहाँ पे I है, next is you भी mention किया हुआ है. I according to the first person, she में convert करते हैं, and you is according to the object, me में convert करेंगे. So she said to me, she told me that I will guide you. She would guide me. Is it correct? This is all about rule number 3, right one. We have more practice regarding this. The special case that number of person they find problem, they are perplexed in this case. She said, you have to improve your communication skill. She said लिखा हुआ है, object नहीं दिया हुआ, right one. और यहाँ पे second person भी mention किया हुआ है. She said, you have to improve your communication skills. So यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे suppose करते हैं आप. सो सपोज नंबर 1 इज शी सेड टू मी. यहाँ पे मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट को मी सपोज किया हुआ है, राइट वन. शी सेड टू मी, तो हमने लिखा शी टोल्ड मी दैट यू हैव टू चेंज योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. तो यहाँ पे मी लिखा था, क्या बोलेंगे इसमें हम, आई हैड टू चेंज माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. हैव टू एंड हैज़ टू, वी हैव टू चेंज इन टू हैड टू. ये हमने रूल नंबर 2 पे डिस्कस किया था। हैव टू लिखा हुआ है या हैड टू लिखा हुआ है, हमने हैड टू में चेंज करना है, सॉरी हैव टू और हैज टू को हैड टू में चेंज करेंगे। सो शी टोल्ड मी दैट आई हैड टू इम्प्रूव माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। नंबर 6, मी के अलावा भी चेंज कर सकते हैं आप इसको। शी टोल्ड हिम, सो आई डिडंट चेंज इनटू मी, यहाँ पे हिम को हमने चेंज किया, हिम सपोज किया है। शी टोल्ड हिम दैट, अब यहाँ पे जब हिम सपोज किया है, वी हैव सर्टेन चेंजेस। आई हैव टू इम्प्रूव माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, देन ही हैड टू इम्प्रूव हिज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। नंबर 6 यहाँ पे दैम को भी सपोज कर सकते हैं आप। शी टोल्ड दैम दैट दे हैड टू इम्प्रूव देयर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, सो यू हैव लिबर्टी, राइट वन। इफ वी हैव अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में ऑब्जेक्ट मेंशन नहीं किया और सेकंड पर्सन रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में लिखा हुआ है, सो आपने चेंज करना है इसके अंदर, करेक्ट। सो दिस इज रूल नंबर 3, होपफुली हैव गॉट दिस। रूल नंबर 1, टेंसेस आर चेंज। नंबर 2, वी हैव सर्टेन एडवर्ब्स or phrases we have to change. The very last is first person, second person and third person we have to change. So these all are the basic elements you have to practice. If you find any kind of problem in comment box, you can comment, you can ask any kind of question. Thank you.